This one is the Beachy, Peachy Sangria. Who comes up with these names? Someone in kindergarten? We all got submissions from kindergarten? Okay, anyway, let's get back to the drink, okay? Because it's a fun drink, Mr. Kindergarten. Okay, so by the way, we encourage only people of age to drink, okay? So if you're underage and anywhere near this site, get lost. So we muddle our strawberries in the base of our pitcher. Come behind with some peach slices, okay? Beautiful. Then we follow up with some peach vodka, okay? That peach vodka you had sitting in your cupboard, now you know what to do with it. Look at that deliciousness. Followed up with some Moscato. Okay, if you don't have a Moscato, you could use any other white wine, but Moscato is pretty sweet, okay? Followed up with some pineapple juice. So this is a really sweet drink, but if you don't want it that sweet, you could use a different wine, okay? And then we give this a nice stir. Oh, yes, okay? That already look delicious, homeboy. So you see what we have here going on here. We have our Beachy Peachy Sangria, okay? Pour that in a glass. And it's good to go. Then I come in at the end and do a nice little taste test. I love these sangrias, man. They're delicious. I let Sheena go first, okay? She's trying to be a little classy, but it's delicious. This is fun. You can't go wrong. And listen, for all your sangria needs, come to tipsybartender.com, because one thing we do have a ton of is sangrias, and we very rarely use red wine in them, so we have a ton of variety. Stay tipsy.